When I'm carrying this, I look like a professional. Hello everybody, I just got this today. It's my brand new camera. This is an unboxing video. I'm also gonna do a test video separately. This is just for unboxing. Like I said, I just got this today. I bought it at B&C Camera, the authorized reseller. Doesn't sell. I always look for, before I buy something, I always look, make sure they're authorized reseller. Give me a thank you card, a packing list, and this thing. Anyway, it was on sale, so I got it from them. This is my second time I bought something from a smaller camera shop instead of the big ones. They seem to be getting good deals from the smaller ones. Anyway, time to unbox this thing. And this one records on a HBCD progressive. It has HDMI. It also records MP4 and 4K up to 60p. So let's see what's inside. Hope the camera is focusing. And my head just got out of frame. So, box. So here's the accessories on top. So, this is the accessories. Move the box from the side. Come take this down. Accessories. Sorry, I keep looking down at my monitor, which is my phone. Anyway, but once I start using this camera, then I can see what I'm doing instead of looking at my phone, and you get high quality video, but still crappy video, but high quality crappy videos. Okay. So inside here is the Panasonic double charger, which is good. But this thing only comes with one battery, big one too. So if I have to order another one, probably a generic for now until I save up a lot of money, enough money to get a genuine one. But if it's a generic one, good, then I will keep buying generic. Forget the name of this thing. It's for your eyepiece. Right, and a manual. Not like before. Before it used to come like this thick. And a 2-prong power cord for your charger. And this is the actually this is the power cord for the brick to the charger. Okay. And I think, but I'm not sure. I think you can plug this directly to your camera or to your power brick. I mean the charging brick. And the last accessory here is it looks like a microphone or headphone or whatever this is. Clip. Like I said, oh, one more, and some something. Anyway, I've never used this kind of camera before. My video camera was 10 years ago, so my first 4K camcorder, not camera, camcorder. So, well, accessories should be here. Okay, so it should come with a camera, which is still inside, battery pack, AC adapter, AC cable, eye cup. So this is called an eye cup. Lens hood. Where is the lens hood? I don't see it yet. Let me find the lens hood. And the camera. Where's the lens hood? Maybe it's already attached. So set a lens hood, microphone holder, which is this one, microphone holder mounting screw. Where is the mounting screw? I don't see any mounting screw. Battery charger, which we got. Input terminal cap. 2 operating instructions, this one. So I think the other ones are already built in. Let's see, hopefully it's in the camera. Now for the camera, the box is now empty. Yeah, now empty. You go on the floor. Let's look at the camera. And this is the camera. Big. So this one should go here. And the lens hood is right here. I think it's removable. Just to open and close. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it is removable. And I don't know if you can attach an external lens there. Not sure. So it hold like this. When I'm carrying this, I look like a professional. Whoops. Ow. I forgot I didn't have a lens cap on. I mean lens cup. Ooh. So I'll put the lens cap there. Cup, not cap, cup. Okay, that's good. Battery. Let's just see if it boots up. So where does screw go? I don't know. This one is for a microphone. I'm gonna read up the manual where it goes, but it goes somewhere. So there's this one has XLR here and XLR here. So I don't know if you can see it. Did you see that? Right. One XLR here, one XLR here. Power over here, headphone. You just need to figure out what this is and what this is or are. 2 clips. That might be considered. Okay, here's the mounting screw for the microphones. So where did that mount? I don't know yet because I'm just learning how to use this. Okay, so there's the hole here. So it should go, it probably goes here, I guess. Yeah, look like it where it goes. Right here. Then you gotta figure out how to open this. Okay, then you can mount the screws right here. And you can close it if you have your shotgun mic. Okay. This part here, I don't know what it's used for, but it's for something. Maybe a monitor. So the monitor slides out here. That's pretty cool. He has ND filter. He has, I think there's a 1/4, 116, 164, 116, 1/4, and clear. There's focus, manual, focus assist, iris, and yes, you can use 2 SD cards here. And I'll put on the description the lowest SD card you can use for 4K. Maybe, I don't know if you can use just the V30 or you have to have V60 or V90, I'm not sure. But I'm going to test a V30 on this one, see if it can handle the 4K. So the menu can be accessed here or accessed here. Okay? There's a lot of buttons I need to learn how to use. This one has 24x i.Zoom, optical zoom. Looks good. It's not heavy actually, it's pretty light. let me just put the battery in here and make sure it works before I do anything. Where's the plug? It's right there. Where's the teeth at? The teeth's over there, so it's gonna go this way. So you're gonna go this way. Alright, that locked in. Put the battery. And there's the power. On. It turned on, which is good sign. Yeah, it turned on. And then you can look at the EVF here, which is blurry. I don't know why that's blurry. Or you can look at here. So let me see. I closed that. Why is this blurry? I don't know. Maybe I have to zoom into something. I gotta get rid of this menu. How do I get rid of this menu? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna set this up. Then when I'm done, I'm gonna go test. Alright, so this is just for the unboxing of this Panasonic. Forget the name of it. This expensive one, by the way. HC X2 camera. It's not that heavy. It's about the same weight as my my camera and my lens that I carry around. It's about maybe 5 or 7 pounds. Maybe more. I don't know. I'm not good at guessing weight. So okay, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And hope you watch the video samples of this camera once I'm done charging the battery. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Mahalo.